A fire broke out in the godown of a business house on 8th July 2016. Goods costing rupees 2 lakh 3000 in a small godown remains unaffected by the fire. अब देखो unaffected in the fire मतलब इतना गुड्स मेरा जलने से बच गया, बाकी के जो गुड्स थे वो सारे मेरे जल गए. The goods retrieved in the damaged condition from the main godown were of value rupees 1,97,000. So जो goods got retrieved का मतलब है इतना goods हमने सेव होने से बचा लिया. तो सेव होने से हमने जो बचाया उसको हम क्या टर्म करेंगे ओवर हियर? It will be termed as a salvage. So this 1,97,000 is what? This is nothing but this is a salvage. Now, from the particulars were available from the records. The following are the particulars which have been available. The first one is stock on 31st March 2016. अब देखो 31st March 2016 को the stock was 15,72,000. इसका मतलब this is the information given for a opening stock. तो हमारा जो starting date होगा that will be from 1st April and the date of fire is on 8th of July. तो हम ये जो memorandum trading account बनाएंगे to find out the stock on the date of the fire, it will be from 1st April to 8th of July. Clear? Now the purchases from the 1st April to 8th of July was 37,10,000 and sales during the same period was 52,60,000. So they have given us the information for the sales as well as they has given us the information for the purchase. Fine. Next thing. Average rate of gross profit was 30% on the sales. Sales के ऊपर 30% is on the profit and the policy amount is 10 lakh. Calculate the claim. Now we need to calculate the claim. Just they have given us certain information. We will start posting first and then we will calculate the claim. अब देखो, first step will be computing the stock by preparing a memorandum trading account from the first date, that is from the opening date to the date of the fire. The opening stock given in the question is 15,72,000. Purchases were 37,10,000. Sales was 52 lakh. Now gross profit क्या बोल रहा है? 30% on the sale. So here we will be writing down 30% on 52 lakh. Let's calculate. कितना मिला gross profit? Yes, the gross profit comes to 15,78,000. Let's take a total. It is coming to 68,60,000. So we will be getting a closing stock as a balancing figure. This minus sales ka amount. So we got 16 lakh as a closing stock. We got 16 lakh as a closing stock. So now the second step will be computing the loss. Let's compute the loss. Stock on the date of fire. What was the stock? हमें first step में मिला. We got 16 lakh. Now, one more thing which is given in the question is that 2,03,000 के goods in the small godown remain unaffected. मतलब इसमें आग नहीं जली थी. तो तुम लोग मुझे ये बताओ, जिसमें आग नहीं लगा था वो गुड्स अगर बच गए तो आप वो गुड्स पर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी से क्लेम मांग सकते हो? ऑब्वियसली नो, यू कैन नॉट क्लेम फॉर दोज गुड्स बिकॉज वो तो आपके पास अभी बच गए, उसमें वो अनअफेक्टेड थे. कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. सो ऑलवेज सब्ट्रैक्ट. दिस इज अ स्टॉक. इतना 16 लाख का मेरे पास स्टॉक था. अब उसमें से ये गुड्स है जो अनअफेक्टेड है, तो इसके ऊपर मुझे इंश्योरेंस कंपनी क्लेम नहीं देगा. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 3,03,000. एंड ऐसे भी गुड्स थे कि हमने जो जलने से बचा लिए, या तो जो डैमेज हुआ था हमने उसको सेव कर लिया, दैट वाज आवर सैल्वेज. तो सैल्वेज गुड्स कितना था, 1,97,000. So after subtracting this, we will be getting a loss of 12 lakh rupees. So we got a loss. Third step would be computing the claim. How you will be getting the claim? Policy divide by stock into loss. Now, whether they have given us the policy ka amount in the question, yes, we have a policy ka amount which has been given in the question. How much? 10 lakh is the amount. Divide by, what is the value of a stock which we got from the step number A? 16 lakh. And we have to multiply it by a loss. So loss कितना आया second step में, 12 lakh का. Now we can easily calculate the claim. 10 lakh divided by 16 lakh into 12 lakh. Yes, this comes to 7,50,000 rupees. 7,50,000. So we can claim for 7,50,000.